What happens when a volcano wakes up after 600 years? Russia just found out. The Krasheninnikov volcano erupted for the first time since 1463, sending ash 20,000 feet into the sky over Kamchatka. And that's not all. Just hours after a massive 8.8 earthquake rocked the region, the gigantic Klyuchevskoy volcano erupted too, with lava and explosions lighting up the night. Kamchatka is one of the world's most volcanic regions, with 29 active volcanoes. But this double eruption is historic. Air travel has been put on alert, but there's no threat to local towns. First ever footage of the eruption has been captured. History in the making.